Alright, quick brain upgrade on circuits, how to read them, draw them, and not get confused by photos of random parts. When I build a circuit, I don't rely on pictures. I use circuit diagrams. Why? Wires are straight lines, components are simple symbols, and the whole thing is way easier to interpret at a glance. Lamps can be tiny LEDs, glass bulbs, chunky panels. Switches can be a slider, a button, a toggle. But in a circuit diagram we use standard symbols, so everybody, no matter the country, reads the same story. Here's the key cast. A cell. 2 parallel lines. The longer line is positive, the shorter is negative. Remember, longer equals plus. A battery. Multiple cells in series. That's just several of those line pairs chained together. A switch. A gap that can open or close. A lamp. A circle with a cross or filament. A buzzer, a circle with sound arcs. An ammeter, a circle with an A, used to measure current. Drawing tips that save headaches. Keep wires as straight lines. Don't run wires through symbols. Go around. No tiny gaps unless you mean a break, especially at corners and where wires meet components. Now, voltage. Voltage is the electrical push, the energy per unit charge in the circuit. Measured in volts, symbol V. Most single cells give about 1.5 V. Put cells in series, and you add their voltages. 3V, 6V, 9V, 12V. Your wall sockets. That's mains voltage. Energy from a power station or generator. 220 to 240 V, 110 V. That's powerful and dangerous, so stick to batteries or a safe bench supply unless you're trained and using proper equipment. Let me map 2 circuits from real life to symbols. Circuit 1, a simple doorbell idea. Cell, switch, buzzer. Back to the cell. Press the switch. The path closes. Current flows. The buzzer sings. Let go. The switch opens. Current stops. Circuit 2, a lamp you can measure. Cell, switch, ammeter, lamp. Back to the cell. The ammeter tells you the current. If the current drops over time, the cell's running low on stored energy. The lamp will dim too, but the meter gives you the early warning before you're suddenly sitting in the dark. Pro move: when you change a diagram, change one thing at a time and label it voltage component values where you put the meter. That way, you can test cause and effect without guesswork. So big takeaways: use standard symbols, draw clean lines, watch for gaps, and respect voltage. Pictures show what parts look like, circuit diagrams show how they work together. Master the diagram, and you can build the thing confidently. Grab a notebook, sketch a cell, a switch, and a lamp, and make your first diagram. Then build it with a 1.5 V cell and see the mapping come to life. That's the moment circuits click.